Hey guys, how's everyone doing? If you're new, welcome. I'm so happy you found us. This is Creativity and Inspiration. I'm Lisa. So today we are talking about how to add a little sparkle and shine to your junk journals, mixed media, planners, and whatever you wanted to. In fact, I have 10 ideas for you. So we're going to jump into this video. Let's go. Hey guys, before we get started with how you can add shine and sparkle to your journal, planner, or whatever, I want to share with you a new DigiKit that I designed. It's called Boho Love, and it's going to drop on my birthday Thursday. You know, the nature colors, the nature scene, that's what this kit is all about. And I am very much a big boho girly, so I love designing this kit. And like I said, it's going to drop on Thursday in my Etsy shop for a limited time on my birthday. It's 10 pages. There's 7 journal pages and 3 ephemera pages. Again, it will come in probably 3 zip files. You don't have to print every page. Each page is its individual self. So if you print one, it doesn't mean they're all going to print. Same with the Magical Friends kit that just went up on Monday or Wednesday last week. So, and that one's only up for a short time too. So if you want to get any of these kits, you need to get them while they're up there. And then this is the last page of ephemera. There we go. So again, this is called Boho Love. It will be dropping on Thursday, March 28th in my Etsy shop, which is linked down below. Okay guys, so how can you add shine and sparkle to your journals, planners, and whatnot? Well, one, you can use fake beads, okay? Any color, it doesn't matter because they all catch light and that's what makes them fun. You can also use glossy paint. Do you see the paint on this cover? It's sparkling because this is a glossy paint. You can use a vintage or modern junk jewelry or costume jewelry, pins, charms, modern or old buttons. All you would need to do is clip off either the pin or the little buttonhole on the back. And these would be great additions to any journaling card, tag, journaling page, paper clip, whatever you wanted to use them for. I especially love this one just because it's got bunnies on it and Sunday's Easter. Cute, huh? And that's vintage, and this one's vintage. The rest are, you know, fairly new. So costume jewelry, whether old or new. You could use, like the beads before, you can also get ribbon, a ribbon type of bead like this. Or you could get ribbons with the edge, like the glittery edge, like this. That's a great way. You can use these little balls with the glitter in them. You can use pipe cleaners. You can use sequins, or you can use real glitter. You can add some bling with stick-on beads or with brads. It doesn't have to be a bead. It can just be anything that reflects the light. So brads are a great option. And sometimes brads come blinged out. So brads are a great way to add bling. Staples can add bling because if there's enough staples, they'll reflect light. Like I stapled the center of the flower and there's so many in there that it reflects light. So staples are a great way. Besides gloss paint, you can also use metallic paints. Here are a couple of pages I did a few years ago, and I used this pink gloss paint. And let's show you how that looks on paper. It's a very pretty metallic paint. So metallic paints are awesome. And then you can just put them around whatever you want them on. But the good thing is they're also kind of see-through. So if I wanted to do kind of like a wash over my flower, then when it dries, it'll have a sparkle to it, but you'll still be able to see there's a flower. See, you can see that shine in the camera even now before it dries. I mean, look at my fingers, how they're sparkling. Fabric or embroidery thread, you know, you can get that embroidery thread, the little long skeins of it, or just fabric that has some sparkle and shine in it is a great way to add sparkle and shine. And it doesn't have to be a cover. It can be a page. It can be a tag or a journaling card, whatever you want it to be. You can add sparkle to napkins. A lot of people don't realize this. They think because they're napkins, they're thinking because they're napkins, you can't add sparkle, but of course you can. You can decoupage them, then add the sparkle, or add the sparkle beforehand. I'm gonna do a journal about fashion coming up, and her brooch right there, I would want her brooch to sparkle, so I would come in and put some stickles on it, because stickles are a great way to add a little sparkle, and then you catch the light on her brooch, which is really cool because it should have a sparkle to it. It's a brooch. You can also add sparkle. Let me get some of this out of the way. You can also add sparkle to ephemera like this journaling card by simply putting your base papers down. And what are our base papers? Well, they're a fun paper. They're a piece of cheesecloth. So let's put all that down real quick. And then because it's a guest check, it's green, which kind of goes perfectly with what we're going to do here, which you'll see in just a second. We're going to put that, and then we're just going to add a little glue for our cheesecloth here. And this is unbleached cheesecloth. I got it from Amazon. It's not tea stained or anything. It's just unbleached. Okay. Now, how can I add some sparkle to that? Well, you're probably thinking of a zillion ways, right? I'm going to show you a way. You could add a patch, like a clothes patch that goes on jeans or jackets, just like that. And wow, the whole thing changed because of the sparkle we added with our patch. So that's another way you can add sparkle. You can use metallic wrapping paper as pages, as tags, journaling cards, whatever you want. This is a great way to add some shine and sparkle to any planner, journal, whatever. And lastly, you can use scrapbook paper, whether it's little whole sheets of 6x6 scrapbook paper, or you can find big whole sheets of 12x12 with a sparkle built in. Or just certain pages. Where's my page? See, right there. Certain pages with just certain elements of sparkle built in there. And it doesn't have to be gold. You can find silver as well. So guys, however you add sparkle to your journal, whether it's something as simple as stick-on beads, old or new costume jewelry, metallic paint, ribbons, papers, bead ribbons, whatever, however you add sparkle, or you kind of do something really different and use a patch or a fabric or staples, however you add sparkle to your journal or planners, it's only limited by your imagination. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about how you can add sparkle to any project, no matter what it is. Mixed media, planners, journals, curtains, it doesn't matter. I've given you ideas that kind of translate it all. Guys, thank you for being here today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button with that little bell. And guess what? That boho love kit will be up in my Etsy shop, Creativity and Inspired, on Thursday, my birthday. So if you want to head over there and download it, it will be available on Thursday. Again, don't forget, hit subscribe, hit that little bell on Thursday, because remember our videos are a little off this week. On Thursday, we will be talking abstract paintings, and I'll give you some tips and tricks how you can create your own abstract painting. Also, on Saturday, we are going to talk about washi tape and a bunch of cool ideas that maybe you haven't thought of. I'll see you on Thursday, guys. Take care. Bye-bye. Oh, and Magical Friends is also already up in my Etsy shop. If you like fairies, mushrooms, and hummingbirds, go check it out. Links are all down below. Bye, guys.